One.
So what's the problem? Well, for women that have had either children or have lost a significant amount of weight, the problem is their midsection. They want it to look good for the rest of their life, and they know it's not going to. We're confused oftentimes with our patients about whether the need for more just diet and exercise is going to give them the result they want, or if they need surgery. And if they do need a procedure, we're oftentimes not sure whether they need non-invasive laser or something that cools the skin, or if they need liposuction or maybe even skin removal. Or maybe the patient needs a combination of several procedures. Well, how did we take care of this midsection issue in the past? Well, previously, people would not only get laser tightening, liposuction, or tummy tuck, they would not consider whether they were going to have a short-term or long-term result. It was a given that maybe using a combination of procedures was going to give them a better result. It was also a given that a commitment to exercise and good nutrition was going to be helpful. But besides poor maintenance, what has been the major mistake made by those who desire an excellent long-term result? Well, first, a mistake was made was to move forward with surgery before obtaining that long-term weight that the patient desired. This is critical. Surgery and liposuction are mostly for finishing out a plan, not for starting and getting a final result. The second mistake was not understanding the importance of aggressive removal of both loose skin and removing those stubborn problem fatty areas. You know, the love handles, the low back, and the bra fat area. Those are the things that all women recognize are problem areas. What's new? Well, there's a new procedure called CombiTuck. CombiTuck is a combination of traditional tummy tuck and liposuction. The procedure recognizes that most patients need both the removal of loose skin and the removal of the last bits of those stubborn fatty areas. It's also recognized that there can be increased risk by combining procedures, but it's also been discovered that once a patient has been placed into a safe state of comfort with the proper amount of sedation anesthesia and local anesthesia, that this procedure can actually even be safer than the traditional one-dimensional tummy tuck. When increased safety and increased efficacy are achieved in one procedure, that's something to be excited about, and we are. The CombiTuck is one of those procedures that has a super high patient satisfaction. Patients are generally ready to return to a desk job within about 5 to 8 days. So what are the possibilities? Longer lasting results, immediate results, shorter recovery period, higher degree of safety, no hospitalization stay required, and improved long-term results over laser along with appropriate diet and exercise. So what should you do? Well, Germantown Aesthetics can be found at lasermemphis.com. It's your key at this website to getting the process started. Whether you want to begin with our metabolic coach or you've already achieved the weight that you need to be and you're ready to book the procedure, we're ready to see you to usher in the next chapter of your life with health and wellness.